Good morning, Prayer Link family. What's up, what's up? You know what time it is. It's another beautiful day again to give God thanks and praise. It's been a while since I've done a video, but this morning I have 4 things I want to say to you. The first one is stop trying to be perfect and just be real. You know, no matter what you do, you have some friend, maybe them in a good job, or maybe they speak better than you, and you're trying to change up yourself to suit them. Stop do that. Just stop changing yourself to be perfect. Just be real, just be you. That's the way you is. Who not like it that way there? So hell with them, let them go. That's it. The next thing again is stop rejecting your work to please people. You know, sometimes you do something and you know, you everything where you do like your friend them not like it. So you try to do it so good. So you end up where you're good in a. Say you're good in a making a box. You know, but I do it no more. You try to do things for suit them to where them I do. No. Stop rejecting your work to please people. It's time to please yourself. Trust me, from you like it, everything is alright. The next thing again, stop trying to please everyone. Stop trying to please everyone else. And you're not pleasing yourself. You see what I say? Trust me, because you are so busy in trying to please everyone, trying to make sure say everybody alright. And you are not. The greatest thing about it is, you know, you trust in God, God love you, and you know, you're trying to please everyone, you know, please yourself. The greatest thing, God love you, God adore you, God see you for who you is. You don't have to please anyone. Please yourself. That's it. The next one again, stop controlling things that you cannot control. Let it go. You know, sometimes they run some people and maybe their relationship go bad, and you're just busy in trying to make for them relationship work, and you're not looking through your own. You're not see that you're short of certain things in your life. You know, see that, you know, they're closer to God, you're drifting farther to God because you try to control everything. You cannot control everything around you. Just try to control your life and just try to control your life. And make sure your life is right with God and right with yourself. Things that's been around for thousands of years. Trust me, it not gonna get no better. It gonna get worse. Stop controlling things that you cannot control. Just be yourself. Try to control your life and make sure it's right with God. Anyway, I just want to thank God for wake up this morning, and remember these words that I say this morning. Stop controlling things that you cannot control. Stop trying to be perfect. Just be real. Stop rejecting your work to please people. You cannot. And stop trying to please everyone else. Anyway, this is Brother Rose signing out for Prayer Link family. One love, one link at all times. Peace.